Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 17th, 2025, and we're diving into Wiley's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Wiley has delivered a robust performance this fiscal year, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Wiley reported a fourth quarter revenue of $443 million, down from $468 million last year. However, the full year revenue was $1.678 billion compared to $1.873 billion. John, can you explain the factors behind these numbers?
Absolutely. The decline in revenue is primarily due to foregone revenue from divestitures. However, when we exclude these divestitures, the adjusted revenue was essentially flat at constant currency. The company has managed to exceed its adjusted EPS guidance, delivering $3.64, which is a significant improvement from the previous year.
That's impressive. And what about profitability?
Wiley's operating income saw a substantial increase to $221 million from $52 million last year. This was driven by margin expansion and cost efficiencies, particularly in their research and learning segments.
Research and learning segments performance. Wiley's research and learning segments are crucial to its business. How did these segments perform this quarter?
The research segment reported a 4% increase in revenue for Q4, driven by strong growth in recurring revenue publishing models and open access. The learning segment, however, saw a 5% decline in revenue due to a significant AI licensing agreement in the prior year. Despite this, the segment still benefited from growth in academic demand and additional AI licensing revenue this quarter.
And how did these segments contribute to the overall profitability?
The research segment's adjusted EBITDA margin rose to 34.7%, while the learning segment maintained a strong margin of 43.0%. These margins reflect Wiley's effective cost management and strategic focus on high-margin areas.
Strategic initiatives in AI licensing. Wiley has been focusing on strategic initiatives like AI licensing. Can you tell us more about this?
Wiley executed an AI content licensing project with a third large tech company, realizing $40 million in total AI licensing revenue for fiscal 2025. This is a significant increase from $23 million in fiscal 2024. The company is leveraging its content and data to tap into the growing AI market.
That's a smart move. How is Wiley rewarding its shareholders?
Wiley increased its share repurchases by 34% and raised its dividend for the 31st consecutive year. This demonstrates the company's commitment to returning value to its shareholders.
And what did the CEO have to say about these results?
Matthew Kissner, Wiley's president and CEO, highlighted the company's strong execution, profitable growth, and margin expansion. He expressed confidence in Wiley's continued progress and strategic direction.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Wiley's outlook for fiscal 2026?
Wiley is projecting adjusted EPS to be in the range of $3.90 to $4.35, with adjusted revenue growth in the low to mid-single digits. The company also expects free cash flow to reach approximately $200 million, driven by anticipated cost savings and efficiency gains.
And what about their EBITDA margin?
Wiley has raised its adjusted EBITDA margin target to a range of 25.5% to 26.5%, reflecting their confidence in achieving further cost efficiencies and revenue growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Wiley has delivered a strong performance in fiscal 2025 with significant improvements in profitability and strategic growth in AI licensing. John, any final thoughts on Wiley's investment prospects?
Wiley's focus on high-margin segments and strategic initiatives like AI licensing position it well for future growth. The company's commitment to shareholder returns through dividends and share repurchases also makes it an attractive investment.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Wiley's performance in the comments below.